Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing this sultry Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I tried to have a little fun with it with this glitter in the crease, but you guys will see throughout the video. But nevertheless, if you like makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button so I can add you to the fam bam. And without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. As per, face is already moisturized. Everything is already primed and my eyebrows are already on. So I'm gonna color correct just a little bit. This way I won't forget either. So I'm gonna do the eyes first. I had someone request that I do the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the Morphe one that I just posted here on my channel. So if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. That will be listed in the description box below, or the cards as usual. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Josie Marian Vibrancy Concealer. Literally down to the nitty gritty with this one. And you guys, if you still haven't seen, if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen my January everyday makeup stash, then definitely check that out. And you'll know about some of these products that I'm mentioning in this video as well. And then I'll soon have the February one up as well. So be on the lookout for that. Alright, so I'm priming my eyes with that concealer. And I'm now going to go into Orange Soda. And I'm using this Morphe brush that I got in a holiday set last year. This palette does have a little bit of kick up and fallout, so be careful with that when you're doing your looks. But I'm now going to go in with Sienna, this shade right here, using that same brush so that it can be like a blown out type of look, and placing that just on the outer part in the crease. And just working it in. And then taking nothing on my brush and just blending all that together. I think I'm gonna go back into Orange Soda and place that directly at the top so that it's peeking through a bit. Slightly peeking through. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of burnt orange. Now going into Mulberry, which is this color here on the end. I'm going to place this all over my lid, and I'm going to stop just a little bit on the outer V because I'm going to add black. Bringing it up to the crease. The black shade in here, which is called Noir. And placing that in the corners. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara. I am going to list the products in the description box below. And I'm going to go in with these same lashes I used in my last video. These are the Poshlychic eyelashes, and these are in the style Greer. You guys need to check them out. I'll link them down below. They have they have some natural lashes on there, some glam lashes. So if you like glam lashes, definitely check them out. Again, they're called Poshlychic. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on and then come back and finish up the rest of the face. Alright, so lashes are on. I'm going to go ahead and put on the foundation. So this part I'm just going to speed through because I don't want to take up too much time. But like I said, I've already color correct, so I'm going to just hold up the products and we'll go from there. Now that I've put my inner corner and I did everything in the face, I'm going to just put a little bit of shimmer to it just because it is a Valentine's Day look. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and I have it in the shade Pyro. I had this in my collection for some time. I'm just going to put a little bit at the top. I don't know. I'm scared. Scared it's going to mess up the look, but why not? I'm going to line my lips with Cork by MAC. And I'm going to go in with this Smashbox Stay Neutral shade.